One team
Yeah,
endorsing for the clean tea.
Yeah.
You know we clean, we out and we don't mean.
Yeah.
Clean tea.
Clean tea.
You know the tree. Hey, yo.
Yeah, bounty killer jingles we are get right
Oh,
now.
hold it down, connect.
100 poor
Yeah.
people government.
Government in the building.
Oh, you ever
Clean
give
team.
Yeah.
One team is out. One team.
one time?
One team is clean team.
You see, we
It's
never,
our dream.
we never pay for that jingles. Bounty killer will give it to you free.
Yeah, you know, killer is the man.
Yeah.
That's my hider.
It's I are the one.
General.
It's
I are the one.
I
Only
are
for
the
the two
one.
and the few. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dream team.
One team. Dream team.
I'm so deeply touched by your passion. It's nothing here pretending. It's so real. You can feel the energy. You can see it in your action, in your doing, in your accommodation, everything. There's nothing fake about it.
Yeah, nothing at all.
And I'm so loved by your touch and by your concern about us, and by Trenchtown, by the people of Jamaica itself.
Yeah, don't forget that, you know, I don't make any distinction between myself, you, and Kino or anybody in Trenchtown.
Yeah,
Because I'm also from Trenchtown.
right.
I was born in Trenchtown.
right.
So,
Me don't know what them a pre about. I keynote. You can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
One team, dream team. So good morning, good morning. It's a lovely morning in Ochi. Still at the resort. You know, the second day. So we give thanks to Oliver and his wife, you know, to inviting us to accompany them, you know, on their vacation in Ochi. So this is day 2. You know, we have some breakfast. You know, it's a breakfast. We're gonna eat the road, get some seafood. And we have Oliver, you know.
I'm telling her we're well protected with the dream team.
Yeah.
Not worried about anything.
Yeah. Trenchtown.
No money with you. I said, no, I got Baja and Kino.
Yeah, we're good. We got the dream team. Yeah, it's definitely good.
Hey, Carl, when you come, just close the door, right? I'm out here.
Second day of Baja.
Yeah.
Second
Yeah,
day.
man, the second day, you know, you come strong.
We give thanks. Diana Ross is not out the room as yet.
Yeah.
Waiting on Diana Ross to come
Yeah.
out.
It's up already.
Morning. It's a beautiful morning. The dream team, one team. Morning. Diana Ross is up. Morning, Diana Ross.
It's just there.
Yeah. Baja gave her that name, Diana Ross. Baja. It was Baja.
Just your hair make it look like Diana.
Well, I changed it up so I can stop now, right?
Yeah. The name stick. The name not gonna leave right now. Yeah, name. Morning. Oh, beautiful morning. in Ouchi.
Came out this morning and found a mango tree.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
We're about to deliver a roast breadfruit to you guys.
To you. Roast and fry, roast and fry. But the mass.
That's the gym.
Oh, so yeah, but the gym you can just go there. What you getting? Pancake, dumpling and dumpling. Yeah, what's that, mango? Yeah, mango. And melon as well.
No, they didn't try the omelet. not gonna like that.
Yeah.
Really?
That's what he said. Team, one team. Dream team, one team, you know, big up to Oliver and his wife Diana, you know, taking us on this journey. Yeah, the Baja give her that name, Diana Ross. You know, so it was stuck. But her name is Carla, so big up Carla same way, you know, aka Diana. So you know, just going on the road now to get some seafood. To get some seafood and come back to this one. So we're going to keep them up to date, bring them on the seafood mission.
to them and get a good shot?
Yeah. Come on.
You know how hard it
She didn't serve us home club, so put the order in because the room is not take a minute.
want to drink water?
This is the chill out spot in what's this? Where are we? Falmouth?
We're in Falmouth. Is it Falmouth?
Falmouth.
Yeah, man, Falmouth.
So we're in a chill out spot in Falmouth.
Bami and all them kind of stuff. Wings, appetizer meat, local seafood your way, seafood, conch, lobster.
Good morning, good morning. How you
Morning.
doing?
How you doing?
Respect. How you doing?
Get some fish, I guess.
Yes. Can I just put them at right shit off?
I heard that this is the fastest place to get service around here, man.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, I'm gonna try because it's just open, but I hook you up, man. No problem.
I heard, boy, you need to come here hungry because you get that food right
Yeah,
up front.
right away. Quick and fast.
So you have fish.
Yeah, we got fish, shrimp, lobster, conch, octopus, oxtail.
I need
curry
to
goat.
get a brown stew fish.
You want the brown stew one?
Yeah, brown stew.
All right.
And I get to pick the kind of fish? Is
Yeah,
it
yeah.
snapper or?
Snapper.
Okay, so I'll take a snapper brown stew.
Okay, let me tell you, our rice and peas is not ready as yet.
That's good with me.
We have steam bami, fry bami. You
I'll
can
take a steam bami.
steam bami.
We have the fry fish.
You want to escovite fish?
Yeah.
Escovite. You want fry bami with that green plantain, French fries, mashed potato?
Yeah.
Which one?
Give me the.
Plantain?
No, you have steam bami?
Yeah.
Yeah, me get the steam bami.
Escovite with steam bami.
Yeah.
Okay. And for you,
I'm gonna
Manny?
get a brown stew fish with festival.
And I'm sorry.
The steam fish.
On a steam one.
It's steam bomb.
And whatever he is drinking, just keep his glass full.
No problem, my brother. I remember that one. Yeah? What are you gonna drink, my brother?
Want a little rum.
You want a rum punch? I give you a rum punch.
Yeah.
Try the rum punch. Rum punch is good enough.
Yeah.
Just as long as they keep him stocked, we're happy.
Maybe?
I'm gonna get me a rum punch.
I think I'm gonna have a red stripe.
Alright, just give me a second. Let me see the fish but it's ready. I'm gonna come
get the
now.
money?
Thank you, sir. Huh?
Okay, my bad. I was gonna.
Yeah. All
I
this.
took the pills already, right?
Yeah.
All right, Diana.
Alright, there. Yeah.
You want to choose the fish for you or you want to come and choose it?
We got parrot?
No, only snapper we have.
Alright, yeah, man.
So like, what you want? A pound and quarter like that good?
Oh, you have to choose the size.
If you want, you can come and choose.
Yeah, come go have a
Come
look
and
then.
come and choose. And then you can choose one per person.
Yeah. We know it's Oliver no ramp, you know. Oliver probably want a shark.
I'm good. I'm just here for the scene. And,
Yeah.
we just get out the way. Get out from the
Alright. Jerry.
I'm not really particular. I'm just want to take one and look for it.
Come on, okay, man. You're telling Jerry. Come on. A big fish in there. Yeah, more on this one.
Take one, boy.
Quarter pound.
This four is good, right?
All four of them.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fine. It don't matter who get what, you know?
Just let this seems like 3/4 pound. What?
3/4.
Yeah, go on again.
See. Oh.
cheap one.
The 1 pound Escovitch, 1 pound. And move essentially.
Get the Escovitch. Who's the other Escovitch? Okay.
Yeah, but
Alright. Respect my boss.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Frank here, server,
Yeah.
chill out.
yeah.
Big up yourself. Come to the best restaurant in Jamaica. Yeah?
Yeah.
Respect.
Yeah.
Every time.
Tell them where you are.
Yeah.
Huh?
Tell them where you are.
Yeah, you're a chill out right now.
Yeah.
Montego Bay, Greenwood.
It's Montego Bay.
Jamaica.
Yeah, it's not far.
Frank in town. Best waiter in Jamaica, yeah?
Yeah.
Respect. Bounty killer, my general.
Ah. General.
Never started you.
Yeah. Why?
Oh, it's Moby, it's not Falmouth.
Some people do good for certain things, but now we take it serious.
Yeah. We were just talking about the same thing, you know. So you go see it, man. Bounty.
Yeah, man. Cross. Kino in the building. Chill
Miserable.
out. No kneel out, no pill out.
Yeah.
Yo.
Rodney Price.
AKA,
Youth.
I'm a general. Youth. Cross.
Cross.
Miserable. Yo. Bong bang, connect.
Yeah.
General, you know, man.
Yeah,
Killer, I'm a
bounty
boss from a little bit.
Yeah.
Killer, me say.
Poor people government.
Government, man.
Mhm.
General, me daddy.
Advice for the poor people,
Yeah.
them, you know. Bounty
Yeah,
killer.
general.
Poor people, government, man. So you definitely go see this.
Yeah.
Well, Saturday you're gonna see it.
Come type in, never follow you, man.
Yeah.
Buy me tell follow you by a little more.
Alright then.
Subscribe
Go
and
and watch
everything.
some videos.
Like YouTube, me live on, you know.
Alright then.
Live up on YouTube, man. Yeah,
See, you're gonna live on this now.
Yeah, me follow
Watching
you.
yourself.
I like them little thing then. We talk about the culture thing. And a culture thing, this is what I talk about.
yeah.
But it spread the culture. This is a culture thing you talk about.
Mm-hmm.
And a music alone a culture, you know.
No,
Food a part of the
food a
culture.
part of
we
the
eat.
culture.
Kind of I think them when they even put out nowadays. I know we culture them there. Pasta and we culture. The spaghetti this and spaghetti and we culture.
Yeah, no.
Culture run down and we chicken back and how we cook roast bread fruit and ackee and them thing there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the seasoning what we
Flour and
use.
butter and them thing they are part of the Jamaica culture. Enough of the people
Yeah.
in uptown then don't know Jamaica culture. Because them live uptown.
Yeah, true.
Tourists come in and talk to them, then shame.
Mm-hmm.
And those people may bail out every day. Just bail them out. Because when tourists come and ask them certain questions, they don't know what to say.
Yeah.
They don't know what to speak.
Yeah.
Because they don't know nothing about the culture.
Yeah, true. So you have to know about the
You have
culture.
to know the music, you have to know the food, you have to know the culture. Tourists don't want to hear about no pasta. Jamaica know about pasta. I know nothing about no pasta. I mean, I know nothing wrong with it, but I know we culture that.
No. Oh, I hear about it.
So we culture what the people them and what them grew up on. The lifestyle, I remember say the 3/4 Jamaica people them live on a certain kind of lifestyle, you know. We don't live no big time life, you know. We not used to no cornflakes and no milk every day and no Milo. We used to, even if them can't afford it now, I don't eat them grow up on.
No.
You get me? I say that's why people don't even hype on people and call people certain name, country people and these people, because
All them
if
breadfruit
you
that we
this
used to
country people
roast.
right now, remember say the whole Jamaica built off a country, you know.
True.
Yeah. And you can't diss the founder. The founder them you have to cherish them.
Not true, yeah.
Yeah, you can't diss the founder. Remember say them build the thing to make we get here, so you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, the founder them, you know.
All of the ground provide food, that's where it come from, the country, you know, the yam, the banana.
Itself.
Yeah.
Developed by country people.
Yeah.
Country people come and have kids and all of these things. So it's all start there.
Yeah.
That's where the roots are.
Yeah.
Of course.
The foundation, as him say, that's where it starts from, the foundation, you know.
We know about we greater cake and we pudding and we boy them and them little thing there. And them thing they come like them a last now because these people, kids nowadays them follow the tradition.
I be a chips them want and nuggets
Yeah, and
these
pack
days.
juice and them
yeah,
little
chips and nuggets.
They now got mango bush again.
No.
All them thing there.
The cultural part of it is like it missing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it
Diana,
what?
you good?
Music,
Too much of
last
that?
it, man.
Yeah.
We need to get back to the real, to a real thing.
Where
you
it
know?
start from, you know?
Yeah, we laugh. The whole thing
Just
laugh.
around this point. But after we depart, then it's Carla again.
Oliver
It's an honor, believe
and
me.
his wife Carla, aka Diana Ross.
It's an honor to be here with you
It's
guys.
a pleasure, you know.
It's lovely.
Guys, they have it in their mind to invite us all.
Yeah, man.
But next time around, you all be here.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Like this.
yeah.
So this is what we are doing here is all for you.
Representing, yeah.
Yeah.
Representing in the right way. Real people. Dream team are real people, so we attract real people around.
Yeah, true.
It's a blessings.
Dream team.
Now look here, I say one team.
One
Dream team.
Yeah, whoa, chef.
Whoa.
Don't say a word. New York twice.
Twice.
Dream
Don't
team.
say a word.
Yeah.
One team.
One team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In Chilo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Real Jamaican food. Brown
Yeah.
soup, escovitch, steam bami.
Yeah.
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 Greatest server. Yeah. Frank. You know,
Frank.
Chilo.
Chill out.
Yeah. Jamaica. Best country. Yeah.
Of
Best
course.
food. Best place. Best server. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bounty killer.
Whoa. Yeah, whoa.
Cross.
Angry.
Miserable.
Yo, hello, youths. Youth man.
Oh.
Yo. Sit down. They say, oh. Ali. Don't
to
think
my
I
man,
laugh
Ali.
there. Ali, nah, keep them a barret.
Just want to say, the clean team ladies.
Yeah.
Baby,
Absolutely.
Jella,
Liquor.
Kedisia,
Esther.
Liquor,
Esther.
Esther.
Yeah.
One team.
Every time.
Representing.
The clean team, ladies.
One
All the
team.
time.
Yeah, man.
Endorsing for the clean team.
Yeah.
You know we clean, we out and we don't mean.
Yeah.
Clean
Clean
team.
team.
You know we dream.
Yeah. Bounty killer jingles we are get right
Oh.
now.
Hold it on, connect.
100. Poor
Yeah.
people government.
Government in the building.
Oh, you ever
Clean
give
team.
Yeah.
One
Yeah.
team is out. One time.
one time?
One team is clean team.
You see, me
It's
never,
our dream.
we never pay for that jingles. Bounty killer give it to you free.
Yeah, you know,
Yeah.
killer is the man.
Yeah.
That's my height.
They say I are the one.
General.
They say
I are the one.
I are
Only
the
for the
one.
two and the few. Yeah.
Yeah. I are the
Yeah,
one.
man. Killer, I'm the general, man. Right, you.
Right, true. Bounty killer. See you.
Yeah. Jungle
Big up.
color the bed Spanish town. Yeah. One time back to. Yeah.
Sure.
Bounty. That's my
Yellow.
daddy. Now no
Sure.
mercy.
Oh,
Yo. Cross.
angry.
Miserable.
The fish look cross.
Yeah.
The fish is angry. He passed away.
Now look proper, man. We're ready.
Yeah. Let's go beach on the beach.
Yeah, man.
I like them thing, man. YouTube thing open, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me
I
like.
deal with realness, you know. So,
Anybody want festival or nothing? I'll try one.
Alright, boom bang. Enjoy, yeah?
Alright,
we're
give
full
thanks,
drive. We're not
Frank.
in the drive now.
Yeah, we are full drive,
Try,
Frank.
kill crime. You know, mine.
Yeah,
Cross.
angry.
Boom. Bang.
Boom. Alright, Frank.
Oh.
Stay tuned.
Cross.
Angry is full. You know. So Diana was struggling a bit.
Yeah.
Baja almost. You know, him almost get there. Me. Yeah, I'm there. And you got Oliver, the real man.
You know,
Clean swim. Everything is
clean the blackboard, boy.
You know, blackboard does the
Look, I'm a big boy, not by accident. You know?
Yeah.
what you see?
What you see here?
Oh, by the taste, man.
Not a practice, man.
Yeah.
That's not by accident.
Yeah. It's all in the taste.
Yeah.
You see, there's nothing left but just some waste.
Waste.
Cross.
Cross.
Oh.
Angry.
Yeah.
Dream team.
One team. Dream team.
culture. Our culture. Forward. Culture. I want to navigate myself. Towards me, for leadership, I can endorse what you said. To the way forward. So we can better.
Yeah, that's a little surprising.
Of course, there's no doubt about that.
I would settle for a little, but
Yeah, it's a lot. Never, ever. This is my first experience for someone reaching out so deep. You know that someone can care so much and understand and willing to appreciate, show love, show it stretched out, and to receive it from someone else to us that we can pass it on. It's really a blessing because I've never experienced this. All of this that I'm experiencing now is because of you. I'm very grateful, very thankful. Kino, dream.
Back on the way now.
So as we said, dream team,
One team.
clean team,
One team.
only team. We are not entrenched down, but we are representing
Yeah.
the real people around us.
Real people.
And with this energy and this love, it only can bind us together. Passage. Certainly, we get back. We pass on this love, stretched out. The experience, knowledge, and encouragement that we gather here.
Yeah.
We'll extend it to you. Kino, trust me. You family out tight. We see the work that you come under. It's a blessing. Father God choose you specially for this moment. I'm glad to be a part of it. And we're the family. As we say, relative doesn't mean that we are connected by blood. Mean that we are family. Family is love. Family is action. And what you're seeing now is the action
Action,
of
yeah.
family. Dream Team is one family. The world and Jamaica itself is one family. And we don't like this to spread across the whole four corners of Jamaica, extend to the entire world. And if we could have this love and appreciation of each other, this world will be a
Better
blessed place,
Yeah.
a better place for us to dwell in. And I'm so thankful for your company
We're
and
thankful
your
too.
love and appreciation and endorsement. Blessings.
So I won't tell everybody how you have changed my wife's name from Carla to Diana.
Yeah.
That would be our little secret.
Because, yeah, go ahead.
No, I said there's one thing I want to say, you know, as my husband Oliver was saying earlier, that hopefully the next time we come, you know, we want to be able to get the whole Dream Team family together, and
True.
you know, hopefully we can get to sample my husband's jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken, yeah.
Definitely,
Yeah.
Something
yeah.
that, you know,
Yeah.
I'm definitely looking forward to, just to be able to greet and meet everybody.
Right.
Whoa, Chef, Marvin,
Yeah.
Aldi,
Yeah.
Wormy.
Jella.
Baby,
Lightbox.
Smiley, I mean,
Cheddar,
all
Gold,
Lightbox,
Aldi.
Wormy, the painter, the
Yeah.
electrician,
Yeah.
the long tradesman.
Yeah.
I mean, look, I'm sure I'm forgetting a few people.
Yeah, it's too
but
much
I
name.
just
Yeah.
want to be able to just.
Yeah, Joe,
I want to
Prefect,
Joe,
you know.
Prefect, you know. Just to see everybody.
Barger is here.
Roger is here.
Barger is here. In the living colors, you know? So, yeah. It's really a blessing, man.
It is.
I can tell you, boy.
It is.
This is the best time of my life.
Wow.
For my
That's
existence.
kind of deep.
That's
Yeah,
from my
that's-
existence until now.
That's deep.
It's the first I'm reaching where, not that to say that I never feel appreciated before. I feel accepted, welcome, love.
Come here, Carla, because he's saying this about you.
Yeah, you know,
Mhm.
the love that I'm feeling right now, trust me, it's so unbelievable. And I'm so deeply touched by your passion. It's nothing here pretending. It's so real. You can feel the energy. You can see it in your action, in your doing, in your accommodation, everything. There's nothing fake about that.
Yeah, nothing at all.
And I'm so loved by your touch and by your concern about us, by Trenchtown, by the people of Jamaica itself.
Yeah, don't forget that, you know, I don't make any distinction between myself, you, and Kino or anybody in Trenchtown.
Yeah.
Because I'm also from Trenchtown.
Right.
I was born in Trenchtown.
Right.
So I identify with the struggle, I understand it.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's not a surprise that someone like myself and my wife reach out.
Yeah.
You know. I just wanted to add that in there.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
I don't make any distinction.
Yeah.
They're still my people.
And we are so loved. One team.
Dream team.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.